Welcome my channel! Today we're watching an amazing traditional woodworking process where a skilled craftsman transforms a simple piece of wood into a beautiful handmade wooden bowl. What may look like an ordinary block of timber at first will soon become a smooth and elegant handcrafted product. The process begins by selecting a solid piece of wood. The craftsman carefully places it onto the wood lathe and secures it tightly before switching on the machine. Once the lathe starts spinning, the real transformation begins. Using a sharp turning tool, he slowly removes the rough outer surface. Thick curls of fresh wood fall away as the block gradually changes into a perfectly round shape. Every movement is steady and controlled, showing years of experience. After creating the basic form, the craftsman begins shaping the outside of the bowl. He carefully forms the rounded body while leaving enough material for strength and balance. Every cut improves the overall appearance and brings the design closer to its final form. Now the bowl starts becoming clearly visible. The curves become smoother and the proportions are adjusted until the shape looks perfectly balanced from every angle. Precision is extremely important during this stage because even a small mistake could ruin the entire piece. Next, the craftsman begins hollowing out the inside. Working slowly and patiently, he removes small layers of wood while maintaining an even thickness around the walls. This is one of the most challenging parts of the entire process. As the inside becomes deeper and smoother, the bowl begins to look both practical and elegant. The craftsman regularly checks the shape to ensure the inside matches the outside perfectly. With the carving complete, he makes several finishing cuts to remove tiny tool marks. The natural grain of the wood becomes more visible, revealing beautiful patterns hidden inside the timber. The sanding process now begins. While the bowl continues spinning on the lathe, different grades of sandpaper are used to create an incredibly smooth surface. Every rough edge disappears, leaving behind a clean and polished finish. Next comes the final detailing. The rim is refined, the base is cleaned, and the entire bowl is carefully inspected. These finishing touches give the handmade piece a professional appearance. Finally, the bowl is removed from the lathe and presented to the camera. It is hard to believe that only a short time ago, this was just a rough piece of wood. Through patience, precision, and traditional craftsmanship, it has been transformed into a beautiful wooden bowl that is both useful and decorative. This project reminds us that true craftsmanship is all about skill, dedication, and attention to detail. Every shaving of wood brings the craftsman one step closer to creating something truly remarkable. Like and subscribe for more DIY craft videos.